BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe Doog. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and to my right is the lovely and talented Natasha. Ekadon BOOZHOO, sweetie.
BOOZHOO, Kakina. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the show.
And today on BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, I thought we should talk about the 7 Ojibwe values.
Oh, this is a good one.
Yeah, I thought you'd like that. So, in the Anishinaabe way, we have 7 values. We call them the grandfather teachings. I was thinking this week we'll do one of the 7 values every day. So today, number 1 of the 7, well here, let me just list the Ojibwe values first. So these are the 7 grandfather teachings. These are the things that are important. So first of all, you got honesty. Gwayakwa dizzy win. Honesty. You must always be honest. Eh? And then there's humility. Dabade dizzy win. Dabadane dizzy win. Humility. You know, don't be all mucky muck. Nah. And then there's truth. Dabwewin. Truth. Dabwewin. And then what is that? That's 3. Number 4 is wisdom. Nabwakawin. Wisdom. Nabwakawin. And then number 5, we got love.
Ah, that's my favorite one.
Yeah, I thought you would like it. Love is zaga'i erewin. Zaga'i erewin. And then number 6 is respect. Manadainda Moen. Respect. Manadainda Moen. And then finally there's bravery. Courage. Akwade Awin. Akwade Awin. Bravery. Oh wow. How long is this thing?
I don't know. It's getting kind of long.
Alright, let's just wrap that up. So here are the 7 values. Honesty, humility, truth, wisdom, love, respect, bravery. And you know what? If you understand that, if you live by those teachings, you have a good life. All right. Well, hey, let's cut this short. It's too late, huh? Hey. All right. Well, with that, I want to say thank you for listening. Miigwach bizandawieg. To BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This is Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
And I will see you again. Igawaba min, minawa. Oh.
Oh, that was really good.
Oh, thank you, sweetie.
Cookie. Yeah, me like cookie.
I don't know what to tell you. You don't look good, my friend. You gotta start taking care of your health.
Yeah.
You gotta eat something more than cookies.
Yeah, cookie. Me like cookie.
I know you do. But it's no way to live. You know what I had for breakfast this morning? I had a kale shake. I made a shake of kale with a lemon, a cucumber, pear, like a cup of kale, and a banana. And you know what? You can bounce a quarter off my tummy. Look at your tummy. It's all flabby. Your eyes are all tweaking out like you're on too much sugar.
Yeah.
Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and in the studio here is my Niji, my brother.
Yeah.
Cookie. You know, sometimes if you're really somebody's friend, sometimes you gotta have hard conversations with them. Isn't that right, Cookie Monster?
Yeah.
And so I don't know. You know, cookie, bakwaji gantz. You know, in Ojibwe, when we say bread, you know, we say bakwaji gun. We say cookie, we say bakwaji gantz. But I don't know what to say to you anymore. Mikes. You know what's going to happen to you, Cookie? If you keep eating like this? You're going to get fat. You're going to get cavities. And you're going to get diabetes. I know. It's pretty heavy. I don't know. You really need to take stock in yourself. You need to think about what's good for you and make some changes. I don't know. I wouldn't be your friend if I didn't tell you the truth.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, you know, kind of a serious BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO today. I'm going to mahjong. I'm going to go. I'm going to leave. I think Cookie and I need to have a little talk.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Well, hey, you have been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and this is Cookie. And I will see you again. Giga Wabamin. Minowa. Oh,
Cookie! Yeah!
I mean it. You gotta start looking after your health. How old are you anyway?
Me 60!
Yeah, so I was talking to my cousin.
Yeah.
He says, I've decided to go to AA. I went, oh, really? You gonna quit drinking? Are you addicted to drinking? He goes, no, I'm addicted to semicircles.
Oh, jeez.
Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. Ekadon BOOZHOO, sweetie.
BOOZHOO nish Anishinaabe Dug. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe. Welcome back to the show.
And today, you know, speaking of drinking, I was thinking it might be a good day to do the Serenity Prayer.
Oh, yeah.
You know, if you're struggling with alcohol, the Serenity Prayer is a good prayer to do. In English, it's Great Spirit, give me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I cannot accept, and the wisdom to know the difference. And I also thought that was really good. So for today's Ojibwe phrase of the day, I thought let's do the Serenity Prayer in Ojibwe. Bunganan. Anama A, Serenity Prayer. All right. And usually, you know, you'd put out some tobacco when you pray. So here's the Serenity Prayer in Ojibwe. Gitchi manadu, daga we duka wishin, weweni, ji nanaguda wendaman, ji odapanaman, inu gashki ketosawan, ji anji sedoyan. Ji de apachite ayan. Ji anji sedoyan. Ge gashki katoyan. Ji de apachi nabwakayan. Ji gegendaman ono. The Serenity Prayer in Ojibwe. And I just want to wish anybody out there who's on the red road pursuing the sobriety, you can do it. life, everybody who quits drinking, nobody ever says, oh, you know what? I quit drinking and I totally regret it. My life went down the tubes. No, it's people, your life always gets better in every way if you quit drinking. All right. Well, hey, I just want to say, miigwech bezendawiyay. Thank you for listening to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa. Oh,
It was really beautiful, sweetie.
thanks.